Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the connection you already have. Open Roblox, press F9, and note the ping value in MS. If you use Wi-Fi, plug an Ethernet cable into your PC or console. Wired reduces packet loss and jitter. Next, close apps that use upload or download bandwidth, like cloud sync and streaming. They silently inflate ping. Once done, make sure your router isn't running large updates, because those can spike latency while you play. Now you optimize the network path itself. Reboot your modem and router and wait about 60 seconds to clear caches and re-establish clean routes. Access router settings and enable quality of service, prioritizing your gaming device or the Roblox ports so latency-sensitive packets go first. Change your DNS to a fast public resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to shave lookup delays. Once these changes are applied, test again in Roblox. You should see lower ping and fewer spikes. Finish by tuning the client and device. Lower Roblox graphics and disable high particle effects to reduce CPU and GPU load, because local lag can look like high ping. Update your network adapter drivers and disable power saving on the wired NIC so it maintains full throughput. If you still see bad ping, run a tracer to the Roblox server IP and capture the hops. That helps identify where packets slow down. If a specific hop is the problem, contact your ISP with the tracer results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.